Hello guys, Milich here, and I'm going to show you how to make a spitball pistol. The materials you're going to need are cardboard, paper, tape or hot glue, knife or scissors, any drawing utensil, and that's pretty much it. So first you're going to want to use your paper and make a pistol, like I did just so. Next you're going to want to punch holes in where main points would be. After that you're gonna want to draw a pistol connecting the dot. After that you're gonna want to draw in the pistol like I did here, and after that just cut it. And with a bit of edited magic, here it is, one pistol. Now make the other one, but this time you can just draw around the original pistol you made just to save a bit of time and make it a little more easier. Or you can punch holes again if you want. Now that you have your two pieces cut out, you can start making a bit of depth. First, measure how high you want or how deep you want your pistol. For me, it's preferably like 1 inch, but you can make it either a little bigger or a little smaller. Don't make it too thick or else your hands can't wrap around it. Don't make it too thin or else the magazine won't fit inside. So first, start off with a cardboard piece. I just kind of cut off most of the thing, but this is what you're gonna have to start with. Then draw out a rectangle, or you can use like some of the sides to help you. Now cut out your piece. Now you can glue it on to pretty much anywhere on your pistol, but I'll just rather put it on this side since it fits nice and snug on it. And now repeat this for all sides. You can even help some of the sides to actually measure how large you want your piece. But be careful when using knives because they're very sharp. But right now I'm going to use like a little turning piece, so I might need a toothpick for this section, or you might need a toothpick for this section. You might have to even bend for this section here. And just let it sit there and dry until you can do the next part of your pistol. Okay, so I don't think you want to be watching me cutting all this for like what, 1 minute? So now I can glue it on. Now to cut it out.